Saturday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. So last night I was talking about not doing these nightly updates because Facebook just wasn't, or TikTok wasn't giving me the views. I was only getting about 100 views. But all your guys' comments and kind words and all that stuff, it was really touching to know that these things actually mean stuff to people. So let's get the girls ready for bed, and thank you. All right, let's scoop the poop, get some eggs. The girls have been quiet all day today. Normally I can hear them cackling by the house, but they've been quiet. Hi guys, you ready for bed? No? Ooh, looks like we have a full load over there. Wow, ladies. Looks like we got a couple already ready for bed. Huh. So we had that mysterious blood come down on the tarp one time. It's not happened again. So I'm not really sure what's going on. And none of the chickens are acting sick, which, as you guys know, the chickens don't really show when they're sick until they're really, really sick. It's too late. All right, guys, let me get some eggs. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. Looks like we got a load here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 right there. I hear you, cackle nuts. So that's 5. That's 6, 7. That's 8. 9, 10. We haven't had 10 in a while. It's normally been 4, 5, and 6. Good job, beautiful. Yeah, you gonna talk to me? You gonna talk to me, beautiful? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I just love my chickens. I have a salmon from last year, small one, and I'm thinking about giving it to them because they're really molting really bad. And I've heard of people giving them fish, so I do believe. What was that, squatty butt? The high protein should help them with their molting. I do give them salmon eggs, and they love those, but I'm out of them. What are you doing? Here's my meathead. Still working on making him an indoor cat. I let him in this morning for about 5 minutes, and he just walked around, meowed, and wanted back out, so he went back out. So earlier I posted a video. Well, here's a picture. Viewer discretion advised. I'm going to be making souse loaf tomorrow. I'm going to do a video on it. It's very delicious. Southern, I believe it's a southern dish. And I know they make it in Germany. But you cook down the hog head, get all the meat and everything, the fats, and you pour it in. It's like a gelatinous, meaty, delicious snack. Really good for the carnivore diet. But I'll be doing that video tomorrow. So yesterday, I do believe Princess Buttercup has laid an egg. We've never had a fairy egg in the Winchester coop, and that was in there. I don't know what color egg she's laying or what's going to happen with her, but I did find that very small egg, and she has been in the nesting box a couple of times. Hi, beautiful ladies. Happy chickens. Hey, bud. So we are going to get more more cats. We're going to get at least 2 more, maybe 3 more. He don't use this but up here to eat his snacks, which will be a good thing because I can get the other cats to come out and get used to him. But I am currently looking. This is going to get cleaned out tomorrow. It just needs to be touched up. The cameras are in place, and I've had 2 more beds, but clean out the litter box, make sure it's all ready. We're going for more cats. Huh, bud? A little bit of sad news. And some of you might know I had to put down Kathy last night, or a couple nights back. She was the one with water belly. She was going blind and almost walking off the edge. It was a hard thing to do, but as a chicken tender, it's what you have to do. But here's the problem. I have 2 more like Kathy. They're all 3 sisters. These 2 right here. And Myrtle here looks like she's starting to get water belly. She's waddling funny. See? She's doing just like Kathy was doing. Here. She's doing just like Kathy was doing, and it looks like it's going to be water belly. Hey guys. So I got 2 more, and Merle's not looking good. There you go, baby. Princess Buttercup's doing good, though. What'll happen is she'll eat her treats down here, and then I'll have to pick her up and put her up there so she can finish them. Yep, so she goes up here and she eats. She has octupled in size. I mean, she was just this tiny thing when we got her. Living on a porch with a string tied to her foot. I'm still working on getting rid of those people. 1. Okay, guys. What's going on there? I was trying... Damn, these rats. This cat needs to start catching them. Started on the deep litter method and trying to create the heat and all that stuff. What it's doing is causing a lot of condensation, so I'm going to have to clean it out and just do the normal. I guess deep litter is for bigger pins. Alright, I've talked your ear off enough. I need to get a fire going. Temperature is dropping and I like it warm. Y'all stay safe. Have an amazing night.